Hello everyone, welcome to the Real Sweat Equity podcast.
I'm Rohan with my co-host Hitesh.
What happens when a woman who hates sweating discovers her freedom through sweat?
So today's guest, she went from silent depression to becoming an ultra cycling champion. And she did not do it for the medals. She did it for the love of it. And let's dive in.
चलिए गरिमा थोड़ा आइस ब्रेक करते हैं. क्विक क्वेश्चंस, कुछ सोचना नहीं, बस गट फील,
God.
spontaneous responses.
Okay, let's go.
आपका पूरा नाम क्या है?
Garima Shankar, but I'm also known as Gary.
आपकी एज कितनी है?
45 going on 46.
वर्क के अलावा पैशन?
Cycling and cycling and cycling.
साइकिलिंग सुनते ही दिमाग में पहले क्या आता है?
खुशी.
ड्रीम डेस्टिनेशन फॉर साइकिलिंग.
Majorca, Spain.
अपने बारे में बिगेस्ट डिस्कवरी.
कि मैं कर सकती हूँ.
फैमिली कितनी बड़ी है?
So हम लोग 5 जने हैं. मेरे पेरेंट्स, विवान्स फादर एंड zen is my dog.
5 साल पहले आपको एक वर्ड में डिस्क्राइब करना हो, फर्स्ट वर्ड आपके दिमाग में आता है तो वो क्या होगा?
Not focused.
कॉफी या चाय?
Coffee.
एक मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग जो लोगों को सबसे ज्यादा आपके बारे में होती है.
कि मैं arrogant हूँ but हूँ नहीं.
अगर आज जो कर रहे हो वो नहीं कर रहे होते तो क्या कर रहे होते?
Baseless life.
लक में बिलीव करते हो या हार्ड वर्क में?
It's lucky to be working hard.
One advice for your younger self.
आपका टाइम आएगा.
The Garima story will change how you think about transformation. Let's dive in now.
Before we dive in, meet the team behind the Real Sweat Equity. They're not just talking about the grind, they live it. 3 lives, 3 stories, one common thread: the pursuit of excellence. In boardrooms, on bikes, in personal lives, and beyond. Hitesh Sablok, a corporate lawyer by profession, an endurance cyclist, and a runner by passion. From ultra rides to ultra deals, he brings balance, grit, determination, and perspective to every challenge. Rohan Sharma, a business leader and an endurance athlete who believes real wealth is built with discipline, not shortcuts. A mentor, a motivator. Sanjeev Sharma, an IT professional, a community master, and a lifelong learner. An ace cyclist, both endurance and racing. From mindset shifts to lifestyle switches, he knows how change really happens from the inside out.
Garima, welcome to the Real Sweat Equity podcast. Excited to have you on this episode 2.
Thank you for inviting me. It's a pleasure to be here.
And for everyone, all of our viewers who've not seen episode 1 yet, please go like, subscribe, share. This is about real transformations, real grit, real story, real grind. So Garima, how was life? What were you before becoming an ultra cyclist? How did it look like? What was your regular day? What were you going through essentially then?
Usually my life was like a normal career-oriented woman. I had everything, so what to say, like I had a career of my own. I was married, I had a kid. But the thing that, I was looking for of having my own identity, I was finding myself, that I was not getting. I was doing everything, but somewhere I was empty inside. There was a vacuum, and I wanted to fill that vacuum. And, for anything that I would do, ultimately, it would come down to, oh, she comes from a strong background, she has a big support, and that's why she's able to do it. And this is where I would disconnect. I would feel that, no, I have to do something of my own, as in, without having any background. And so that was the struggle that was going inside me at that point of time. Yeah.
You were playing the perfect role of a perfect wife, a perfect daughter, and a perfect mother, and yet you were feeling very, very incomplete. You had a silent depression, and this is something that you didn't know at that time, and it was there. And आपने जैसे हमें बताया कि there was this part of the day which somehow felt very complete to you, which felt very different to you. उसके बारे में आप थोड़ा बताएंगे?
Yeah, and like you said that about silent depression, when I was going through it, I was actually not knowing that I'm going through that. It's only when later on this topic was taken up is when I realized that, oh, I was going through that phase, you know. And when I came out of it, like morning being my morning, those 3 hours, 4 hours in the morning was special for me because that was my time. The concept of me time was talked about later, but I felt it, I experienced it. And so that time in the morning used to be my time, and I used to explore and enjoy myself. Yeah.
बट वो मी टाइम आप ला कहाँ से रहे थे? मतलब व्हाट आई अंडरस्टैंड इज फ्रॉम द कॉन्वर्सेशन, परफेक्ट ऑन ऑल रोल्स, बट आप में वैक्यूम था. So how was that fulfillment coming through?
See, I realized it automatically came to me. It's not that I was told that, you know, you should be doing this and that's how you will come out of it. No, it just happened organically for me. I started cycling organically, and slowly I realized that, oh, whenever I'm coming back from having my me time, that is cycling, what the activity that I was doing, I was very happy. Throughout my rest of the hours used to be in a happy mood. So I told myself that, oh my God, this is the thing that I should be doing in which is keeping me happy throughout the day. Because I believe if I'm not happy, I can't keep the environment happy.
So वो जो 3-4 घंटे, 2 घंटे, आधा घंटा, 1 घंटा जो आप स्टील कर रहे थे अपने एवरीडे रूटीन से, that was basically liberating you from the stress of a regular household that possibly you were facing, and that potentially became the escape. Was that the feeling, or was it something more than that?
Yeah, that became an escape because here what I was doing was exploring on my own. You know, I was not being told by anybody that you are supposed to do this, ये करना है, इतनी देर के लिए करना है, वो करना है. No, it was on me. This was my independent decision. You know, it was freedom for me. Like the actual word freedom तभी समझ में आया कि freedom क्या होता है. You know, that you go, मन किया रुक गए, मन किया चलने लगे, जहाँ मन
Right.
किया चले गए, literally playing games on the road all by yourself.
So fresh air possibly freeing you in the suffocating environment of a daily routine.
Yeah, it was giving me that fresh air. Oh my God, I still can't describe what it used to feel like.
आपने हमें वो बताया कि आपका एक बुद्धिस्ट स्क्रॉल मोमेंट था.
Yeah.
You know, that
Before
felt very
that, you know,
interesting.
you come down to it. I want to tell one thing that, you know, when I see people around me, अगर कोई कुछ किसी को बोलता है कि अरे इस पर्सन का तो लाइफ एकदम परफेक्ट है, आई नो उस पर्सन का किसी का भी लाइफ परफेक्ट नहीं, नोबडी इज इन दैट परफेक्ट सिचुएशन. अरे इस पर्सन के पास सब कुछ है, हो ही नहीं सकता कि किसी पर्सन के पास सब कुछ है, कुछ ना कुछ मिसिंग है. बिहाइंड दैट fake smile, I can see people through because I've gone through it. So I can so relate to women, you know, and that's the reason I, you know, encourage many women to do their own thing, not just cycling, but other things as well. So you know, I've gone through it, so I can connect on that aspect.
And उसको थोड़ा सा और pursue करते हैं तो it can feel like freedom.
Yes, anything that you can connect to actually.
And for you that was cycling,
that
which,
was it
which
came,
happened
yeah.
accidentally. So
Yeah.
talking about that accident, you mentioned that the accident had a spiritual angle to it, and you know you were there was a Buddhist scroll involved, and
Yeah.
then the cycle happened. So can you tell us about that day and that entire event?
Yeah, so I follow this concept of Nichiren Buddhism, and it's a life transforming practice. Till I did not experience it. So I used to always pray and chant. We say chant in this. So I used to chant for having my own identity. And the day the scroll was inscribed, Gonzon is the name of the scroll that we say, was inscribed the very next day, randomly, not thinking that, okay, it wasn't planned at all, that I went and bought a cycle for myself.
So random decision.
Very random, very random. And I don't know whether people can trust this or not, But for me, this was a truth that happened.
Then I think very relatable. In fact, spiritual. In fact, sounds like universe coming to the rescue and coming to show you the right path. And I think जैसे हम कहते हैं कि you should transform yourself, find inspiration, motivation. I think यहाँ ज़्यादा poetic हो गया because the transformation possibly found you. It came to you instinctively by way of an intervention maybe, but that then probably charted a different course for your next steps.
Yes, definitely. Like my life has got transformed, not shape wise, I'm saying, not weight wise, but internally, spiritually, as a person, I have changed
Hmm.
after cycling got introduced to me. I found a purpose. I know that,
Hmm.
and I've left it in between also
हाँ.
2-3 months to check कि क्या मैं सिर्फ
हाँ.
cycling हूँ, and I've seen it. Oh God, again the same thing starts happening
Right.
with me. So I pick up my cycle. I said जो भी है,
हाँ.
यही है.
But you found yourself with cycling, with a habit rather.
Yeah, like it's me. When I see my bike, I find myself so much in sync with my bike.
Right.
Like that's me.
When we were talking, I think there came in a phase which you were telling us about, and I think which is pretty much common with anybody who, in at least our Delhi NCR region, start cycling. जब आप पहली बार इंडिया गेट तक राइड करते हो, how was that? What was the feeling when you saw India Gate? मैं घर से इंडिया गेट आई साइकिल करके.
Oh, so I used to cycle when I started, I used to cycle in the park.
हाँ.
6-7 किलोमीटर हो जाते थे तो बहुत खुश हो जाती थी. I did 6-7 kilometers and I would tell my trainer
हाँ.
that I did 6-7 kilometers, and he was like, okay, you did 6-7 kilometers,
हाँ.
okay. But one day I thought that why not I go to India Gate.
हाँ.
Why India Gate was because वो straight road मेरे घर से जाती है.
हाँ.
BRT cycling lane बना होता है. So let me go. When I reached India Gate, पता नहीं क्या हो गया मुझे. I was like, wow, I reached a destination all by myself.
हाँ.
I rode to this place. It was like, that feeling, and later on that feeling came when I climbed my first flyover, and I was like so happy.
But I have to interrupt you and ask you,
Yeah.
बचपन में cycling करा था? Have you been cycling since your childhood?
It's very funny. So I was, of course, given a cycle when I came first and second class. That was a Tobu cycle. I did do it, but in my colony, in my garden. But when it came to the real cycle, my father said no.
Why?
You don't know. Because of the traffic, the place we were staying in,
Huh.
there was traffic, and he said no. You'll fall. He was so protective, and that came out of
you
love.
did ask about a cycle. I mean,
I would ask about the cycle because my friends had, and I would tell him that I want to cycle. He said no.
and ये हम कौन सी एज की बात कर रहे हैं?
This is my teens.
Your teens. Okay.
My teens.
When you were denied.
Yeah.
हाँ.
That no, though I knew cycling, he said no.
So this is a protective bubble that was around
yeah,
you throughout.
Yeah.
तो फिर इंडिया गेट कैसे जाने दिया?
वो तो मैंने बताया ही नहीं था.
Oh my God. So, uncle, now you know she went to India Gate, right?
Of course, there's a disclaimer. I don't want kids to be doing this, that, you should hide from your parents. But sometimes, I came from a different background. Now I think there's quite a transparency between parents and kids. But
Huh.
back then, there wasn't much. And that's why I used to hide and go to India Gate. Slowly and gradually, they did come to know that I used to go to India Gate. But India Gate के नाम पे मैंने धीरे धीरे बहुत कुछ एक्सप्लोर करना शुरू किया जो उनको बहुत बाद में पता चला.
अभी जैसे आपके फेस में हम देख रहे हैं ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन while you've been talking,
Yeah.
and as soon as you're talking about this phase, the face
Yeah.
starts.
Yeah.
There is a big smile, and you're just glowing and shining right now.
Yeah.
So obviously, this is a very very happy phase that you've entered now
Yeah.
of your life.
Yeah.
So we can assume that there was a lot of pain
Hmm.
that got liberated in this period.
Hmm.
So it is. Can you tell our viewers that if they have a similar pain and they're not realizing it, and then this liberation happens, how does it feel like?
It's a very different kind of feeling. You want to live your life. You find a purpose to your life. You find your days much more happier. जो बोलते हैं ना कि अंदर से खुशी होती है,
हाँ.
वो चीज होती है. आपको अंदर से लगता है, आपको जीने का मन करता है, अदरवाइज
Hmm.
इट्स सो मोनोटनस. Sometimes I see people, they are in a rat race, and I mean, I have full respect for them. Of course, you know, situations are different. But कभी कभी रैली में लगता है कि हम कितने बंधे हुए हैं, वही सेम काम किए जा रहे हैं, किए जा रहे हैं, किए जा रहे हैं, ये
Hmm.
करना है, and we get so lost in between, and that's depressing.
So this becomes the high point of your day, the
Right.
best
Yeah.
part of your day.
Yeah, मेरे को लगता है मेरा टाइम हो गया, like I've done my bit for
Right.
the day. Because this was one investment that I was doing in for myself.
Huh.
Though that investment was out of my comfort zone. You know, I was in the sun and the pollution and the traffic. It was that investment that I was making, but it was for my soul that I was making that investment, and I was earning it. I earned it well, and I'm
ये
still earning.
एक बोलते हैं ना कि स्वेट से यू नो स्वेट आई मीन ये तो इससे तो काले हो जाते हैं, इससे तो स्किन खराब हो जाती है. एनीथिंग आई मीन डिड दैट थॉट इवन कम टू यू एट एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम? वर यू दैट पर्सन?
I was that person. That's the reason I was never a sports person till the time I was not 38. I started doing all this when I was 38. मेरे को पहले लगता था, oh my god, I don't want to go do outdoors running, etc. or badminton, anything, because I would feel so, you know, sweaty and not so good. But later on, I discovered no, it's the other way around. And my passion grew so stronger that I would let go of all this, you know, of my tanning, etc., or whatever happened. I was like, okay, fine, it's okay.
You just told us कि
हाँ.
you kept it a secret.
Hmm.
Now, how much of a secret was it and why?
So, because I did not want, I love my parents, you know, I love my family. So, I did not want them to be uncomfortable with this whole idea of me being on the road. You know, somebody who was so protected, उसको रोड पे दिल्ली ट्रैफिक में बाहर है वो, तो ऑफ कोर्स दे वर अनकंफर्टेबल. और उसके बाद दिल्ली के बाहर भी मैं जाने का सोच रही थी, बिकॉज आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग दीज लॉन्ग राइड्स. तो दिल्ली में हो नहीं सकता था, आपको दिल्ली के बाहर जाना पड़ेगा. मुझे लगा अगर द टाइम मोमेंट आई टेल देम अबाउट दिस, साइकिलिंग छूट जाएगी, एंड साइकिलिंग छूटने का मतलब मेरी फ्रीडम चली जाएगी. सो अपने फ्रीडम को सेव करने के लिए आई हैड टू डू दिस. इट वॉज बेसिकली अ सर्वाइवल मोड फॉर मी.
तो आपका अपना स्पेस था, फ्रीडम था,
Yeah.
इन्वेस्टमेंट था,
Hmm.
and with the fear of possibly this being taken away,
Yeah.
you decided not to share this until the right time. But
Not the right time, actually. I'll come to it.
Huh.
Yeah.
but it was, I think it's a weighing scale, right?
Yeah,
So the
yeah.
benefits that you were reaping,
Yeah.
maybe physically, emotionally, feeling
Yeah.
free, feeling
Hmm.
liberated,
Mhm.
maybe less burdened, more
Yeah.
at peace,
Yeah.
all of that you wanted to continue investing, continue increasing the balance in your sweat equity account,
Yeah. Yeah.
and then you just decided कि अभी नहीं बताते,
Yeah.
and let's just continue with it, and you continued your longer rides, the passion and the love kept growing.
Yeah. It's like, you know, जैसे दो दिल मिलते हैं,
हाँ
and they're like, okay, you know,
हाँ
when is the right time to tell
हाँ.
your family about it?
हाँ.
There is no right time, no. Till the time you can hide it, you can hide it.
So it was the love story which was
There's a love story, pure love story with my bike.
So you just said कि मैं बताऊंगी अभी कुछ. I think I want to know that. What is there an incident that you want to share? And how did your finally it was revealed?
हाँ
So what happened? There was this ride called Super Randonneur 6, in which we do long rides
हाँ
in stipulated time.
हाँ.
So this was SR6, which had to be done in 6 days.
I think for viewers जो नहीं समझते होंगे SR and long rides, कितना long हम बात कर रहे हैं इस राइड पे?
200,
हाँ
300,
हाँ
200 kilometers, 300 kilometers, 400 and 600.
wow.
4 different rides.
4 different rides. लेकिन ये अगर आपने लगातार राइड की 6 days में, तो
हाँ.
आपको एक टाइटल मिलता है सुपर रैंडोनियर इन 6 days.
Okay.
wow.
अगर आपने ज्यादा टाइम, 1 साल के टाइम गैप में कर लिया, तो यू विल बिकम अ सुपर रैंडोनियर. बट दिस वाज सुपर रैंडोनियर इन 6 days.
Right.
Okay.
And so I went for this ride without telling my family about it, and saying that I'm going out to stay with my friends and etc.
Huh.
And one day I was caught because I was not picking up my call, so my father got a little scared. And फिर उनका जब मैंने मैसेज वगैरह पढ़ा कि
हाँ.
नहीं, I'm trying to reach you, it's urgent, etc. I called him up. And then I was caught. He was like, where is this truck ka sound coming
हाँ.
and this and that. And मैं क्या करती, मैं रोड पे थी.
You were outside Delhi.
I was outside Delhi. I was in
Oh.
Karnal.
Oh my God. And where were you headed?
I was, I think, coming back from Zirakpur.
Which is Punjab.
This is Punjab, yeah. And I
Oh.
was on way back. And this was my first 600 का series है वैसा 6 का.
हाँ.
वो जो first 600 से शुरू होता है
हाँ.
पहले 600 करते हो, फिर आप 400 करते हो, 300, 200. So वो 600 में मैं caught हुई थी.
ओके
Yeah.
सो अगर यहाँ पे आपकी राइडिंग बंद हो जाती है तो आपके एसआर खत्म करने की या एसआर इन 6 days खत्म करने की देयर इज नो होप.
There is no hope. Cycling ही बंद हो जाती है मेरी. So anyhow, I was caught. My father asked me, where are you? And I had to say, I said, send me the location pin and
हाँ.
this, that. And he caught me riding on the road. क्योंकि मैं लोकेशन पिन भेज करके रुक तो सकती नहीं थी, मेरा
हाँ.
इवेंट तो ऑन था.
हाँ.
आई हैड टू साइकिल. और मैं कोई बहुत फास्ट राइडर भी नहीं थी कि अच्छा मैं रुक जाऊं, वो आएंगे तब मैं फास्ट चलाऊंगी, ऐसे कुछ हो सके. सो आई केप्ट राइडिंग एंड देन एट वन ऑफ द कंट्रोल पॉइंट्स ही वाज सिटिंग एंड ही सॉ मी राइडिंग. एंड फिर उन्होंने कार उठाई. वो खुद से ड्राइव कर रहे थे, ड्राइवर भी नहीं था. वो पीछे पीछे उन्होंने कार लगाई. एक पॉइंट पे उन्होंने फ़ोन किया कि आई एम राइट बिहाइंड यू. एंड आई रिमेंबर इट वॉज अ टोल. I was almost entering Delhi, and I told him, Papa, please don't come near me because the event says it's a pure unsupported ride and I have not given the car number, etc. These are the rules that you have. And so if you come near me, I'll be debarred. मैंने already 500 किलोमीटर चला चुकी हूँ,
हाँ.
मेरी मेहनत चली जाएगी. So I said, okay, you come back home. And man, I was like, I kept praying in my heart that I hope this is not my last ride.
हाँ.
But ठीक है.
So did he? I mean, what was the argument? There was an argument. या फिर how did it
हाँ.
go after that?
So when I reached home, of course, I was tired and fatigued. And he just came and he cried in front of me. And oh my God, I still can't. It's been years. It's been 8 years and 7 years. And I can't still let go of that thought that he said, just, he just said it like this, that just बेटी को मैंने,
हाँ.
इतना protect करके रखा. आज वो जीटी करनाल रोड में रात के 12-1 बजे साइकिल चला रही है.
हाँ.
अच्छा रात को ये इंसिडेंट हो रहा
ये
है.
रात को इंसिडेंट हुआ
Okay.
था. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर 1-2 बज रहे थे. मेरे को डायलॉग याद है वो. एंड बिकॉज इट केम फ्रॉम हिज हार्ट एंड इट वाज सच अ इमोशनल मोमेंट बिकॉज दिस वाज व्हेन माय रिलेशनशिप विद माय फादर, he's the best father that I could have had ever get. But still एक फॉर्मेलिटी थी, स्ट्रिक्टनेस थी. मैं इतना ज़्यादा ओपन अपने फादर से नहीं थी. और मैंने किसी भी चीज़ के लिए लाइफ में इतना फाइट नहीं किया था जितना मैंने इस पैशन के लिए किया. सो आई जस्ट लेट माई फुट डाउन.
So you actually had an argument with him that this is now me.
आर्ग्यूमेंट भी नहीं था.
You actually defended yourself.
I
this
defended
is
for the first time in my life. मदर के सामने कर चुकी थी because with mothers you're quite free. My father being very very caring and protective, तब भी एक फॉर्मेलिटी था. मैंने कभी किसी चीज के लिए फाइट नहीं किया था उनसे.
आपने कभी ये रियलाइज किया कि मे बी नाउ you have two versions of Garima. There
Yeah.
is one old Garima which was the perfect daughter,
Yeah.
and she's been pretending to be that.
Yeah.
And now there is years of hard work and एक नई गरिमा है जो कि छुपी हुई थी अपने फादर से, आज सामने आई फादर के. And you actually decided कि नहीं पापा, this is now me. And now this is what I will be going forward.
Yeah. So to be honest, the thing is, sometimes even I can't connect to that person. Like if I have to, I'm sorry, like
it's okay.
I think I have. Sorry. So even sometimes I feel that even I can't connect to that person. I feel this is my next birth.
Hmm.
कि अगर कोई मुझसे मिला भी है,
Hmm.
उसने भी मुझे बोला कि ओ घर में you've changed so much.
Hmm.
I had never ever and it was not my father's fault.
Hmm.
It was me. Like हम जैसे environment को blame
Right.
करते हैं, दूसरे person को blame करते हैं, नहीं. मैंने शायद किसी चीज को इतना चाहा नहीं था
हाँ.
कि मैं उस चीज के लिए stand करती. And this freedom was so important for me.
Hmm.
And the investment in myself.
Right.
And that feeling that I am doing it. It's my power. अब किसी भी कोई भी मेरे पीछे नहीं है अभी.
Hmm.
जब मैं साइकिल करती हूँ, it's me who's cycling, who's putting the power.
This is the power of that version that we're seeing right now.
Yeah, absolutely. And you know, not being fixated with any idea. I've seen if you're flexible and if you really want to grow, you know, if you want to experience things, you should just do it.
Hmm.
Go for it. There is no age for it.
And don't settle for the monotony of
And don't settle for it.
every
And
day.
don't crib. Don't let your environment, you know, you blame your environment that मैं ये नहीं कर सकती, मैं वो नहीं कर सकता. No. Think about it. Experiment. You never know when you find the purpose in your life. मैंने भी बहुत कुछ चीज़ें की थी कि मैंने you know dancing का class join किया था, gym गई थी, personal trainer रखा था. You know, doing my own business. I started doing business when I was 25. You know, एक business किया, दूसरा business किया. लेकिन तब भी वो vacuum था. तब भी वो खुशी नहीं थी. क्यों नहीं खुशी थी? I had everything. You know, you name it, I had it. But still that vacuum was there. So, you know, you keep experimenting. Go and find your happiness at whatever age you are at. There's
And
no
वो-
age limit to it.
ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन के बाद हाउ डज इट अफेक्ट योर रिलेशनशिप्स? क्योंकि जो सुन के अभी लग रहा है देयर वाज अ डिफरेंट सेट ऑफ रिलेशनशिप, देयर वाज अ प्रोटेक्टिव फादर for all good reasons, and then after the transformed Garima who possibly stood up for something she was liking, loving, wanting to do, the relationship, how did it change? Did it change, not change? How do you see it?
No, it did change. I think before that Garima I was running after relationships also. Like to say कि you know, to make everyone happy. I was in that phase कि अच्छा इसको भी खुश करना है. I have to be that perfect mother. Mother तो खैर मेरा बच्चा बहुत छोटा था.
हाँ.
But you know, you are justifying yourself.
हाँ.
Then daughter, then as a wife, you know, you're doing different roles, trying to make everyone happy. You're running after, you know, being that perfect person. But after I got into investing in my sweat equity is when I realized, no, I am important.
Hmm.
That was important. That giving myself that importance was the real deal.
Hmm.
And then I was a different person, of course. The relationships changed.
Hmm.
I had to let go of few relationships also,
Right.
and which I was fine with. I don't regret it.
Right.
I was like, people who have to understand me
Yeah.
will stick by me.
So-
And that
It
has
makes
been my
sense. I
thing.
think you started valuing yourself first,
Yes.
and your
I became
happiness
selfish
became,
in those
हाँ.
terms. I was being told that you're being selfish, and I
हाँ.
was like, okay, fine.
But
Yeah.
selfish for good reasons, right? मतलब अगर मैं ही खुश नहीं हूँ अपने आप
Yeah.
से तो how do I please the world?
Yeah, because till the time आप खुश नहीं हो, आप बाकी लोगों को खुशी नहीं दे सकते हो. And it is your priority to keep yourself happy. And you know, when you prioritize yourself, slowly people around you will try understand.
Hmm.
This once I had told the same very thing to my mother. She had told me about it that, you know, तुम चली जाती हो, and because I stay with my parents, they're like, तुम चली जाती हो, Papa is not there, so I have to look after your kid and this, that. I said, you know, till the time you do not make time for yourself, we all will adjust.
Very
Right,
well said.
right.
Very well said.
So I have seen that change because I was like, if I'm having that freedom, why shouldn't my mother? She's also a woman,
Hmm.
you know. And sorry, I'm a little gender biased, but woman to woman. So I just thought that why not? And slowly, gradually, she has made that space. Because she let go of her space when I was growing up. And then she became a grandmother.
Right.
So I wanted her now to enjoy that life. So she has her own space now. She has her me time and enjoying it. That's her real sweat equity.
So makes, I think, perfect sense. But यहाँ से ये शुरू हुआ, and I think it progressed to a stage जहाँ पे you were doing international events like London, Edinburgh, London,
Yeah.
Paris, Brest, Paris,
Yeah.
crossing like 4-digit kilometer rides, koi 1200, koi 1500. But I think when you finished, and we were talking about this before the shoot, वो जब late finish होता है, so you feel कि वो मैंने कुछ accomplish अभी कम करा है, because I think one side we're talking about a new version of Garima, जो on the personal front has made a lot of ground, achieved a lot of ground,
Yeah.
very happy, very satisfied with the real sweat equity being earned, but वो जो passion है, उस passion में कुछ अभी बाकी है. So
Yeah.
क्या आपको लगता है something is missing, or you are good with how the events went? How do you see it going forward?
I mean, those 7-8 days, 6 days में वो राइड खत्म हुई थी, मैंने 8 दिन में खत्म किया था. People said that okay, 2 दिन बाद इसने राइड खत्म किया. मेरे लिए वो 2 दिन इतने इम्पोर्टेंट थे.
हाँ.
कितना कुछ मैंने सीखा है उन
हाँ.
2 दिनों में कि अपने आप को कैसे इमोशनली हैंडल करना है.
हाँ.
इमेजिन यू आर जस्ट ऑन द रोड, आपको ये पता है कि आपके सारे राइडर्स फ्रेंड्स उन्होंने फिनिश कर लिया है टाइम से, दे वुड बी स्लीपिंग, एंजॉयिंग देमसेल्व्स, बीइंग इन द ग्लोरी, एंड यू स्टिल ऑन द रोड. So you're actually alone. You know, you're going solo on this. No matter, I was being supported on the control point. The organizers came back and did it. But still on the road, you're pedaling all alone. You're tired, you're fatigued. How you managing at that time was such an important lesson for me.
शुरू करते से there was a situation जहाँ पे हम low feel कर रहे थे, हम unknowingly depressed थे. We found our calling, spiritual intervention. We found cycling. We started cycling. We hid cycling, caught cycling. और उसके बाद we discovered freedom. We discovered mental balance. We discovered something जो हम पहले experience नहीं कर पा रहे थे. But now we realize there was a problem. But अभी वो fix होता चला गया.
Yeah.
New version of self भी found हो गया. नए relationships बने, possibly deeper and more constructive relationships बने.
Yes.
New meaning to life मिल गया.
Yeah.
We see a new Garima which was possibly not existing.
True.
So after going through all of this, all of these journeys of and maybe different hats, right?
Yeah.
एक mother का hat है, एक
Yeah.
daughter का hat है,
Yeah.
wife का hat है,
Yeah.
society का pressure है, you were a businesswoman, वो
Yeah.
एक pressure है.
Mm-hmm.
So with all of that going, I think one advice, and especially for the women listeners that we have, possibly in the same set of situations, what will be that one advice that you want to share, one experience that you want to share, which helps them resonate, helps them break free a potential or a invisible cage or a situation that they're in right now?
So, to be honest, this is the thing that I go by. This is my motto also, and my real sweat equity as well. That life is beyond your comfort zone. Life is not living a life of a monotonous कि आपको एक robot की तरह आपको ये करना है, ये करना है, ये करना है, ये करना है. No, it is outside your comfort zone. You come out of it, and you are the author of your own life. You need to get that. The pen is in your hand, and the time you get that ownership in your heart and mind is when you will start defining your own life.
And also believing in yourself.
Yeah, you have to. And nothing is impossible. Nothing. I have learned one thing. If you have, ये बहुत cheesy line भी होता है, बहुत बार हमने सुना है, but actual में ये fact है. अगर आपने सोच लिया कि मुझे ये करना है, ये करना है, the universe will support you. It will spiritually unlock things for you that you go forward and you do it.
I think वो एक saying भी है, मैं निश्चय कर अपनी जीत करो. So I think you decide first, half the battle is already won, and then everything aligns.
Absolutely. It's like, it's you. It's, it's you versus you. So if you have thought that, अरे ये तो मेरे को करना ही है, no matter what, you have to be convinced yourself. अगर आप खुद convinced नहीं हो, आप अपने environment को किसी को convince नहीं कर सकते हो. So half your battle is won once you are convinced that yes, this is what I want in my life.
So Garima, what's next?
Next is to finish my unfinished business so that I can tell people that ठीक है, failure हुआ, failure को मैंने victory में convert किया for that moment, but also not to leave things unfinished. You go back to you, work towards it, and how you finish it in style, mic drop. and inspire other people that yes, you can do it again.
So with Cyclone, you did that, right?
Yeah,
You
yeah.
you so it's now a passion project for you where you actually bring in a lot more cyclists
Yeah,
into the community.
yeah.
गरिमा, आपकी story was really moving.
Thank you so much.
उसने हम लोगों को बताया है कि कैसे small transformations, small changes on a daily basis can bring about a massive transformation. पूरी की पूरी life change हो सकती है. You did that at a late age. I mean, a very young age of 38, I
No,
would
that's
say.
fine.
But still having the grit to find yourself is commendable. It is quite an incredible story.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And I think वो key aspect है कि एक silent life wherein fulfilling possible expectations that the world has.
Mhm.
Say you move to making a mark in something that you loved, you
Yeah.
followed. It's also from, if I may call it, an invisible life wherein from a no one to a well-known long distance ultra rider. I think it's a big transformation,
Yeah, and that shift happened in my life also.
right?
Like very small thing but very powerful thing that happened for me. My father always used to tell कि जब मैं नहीं रहूँगा, and I want him to listen to this, that
हाँ,
and that would bother me, like somewhere I would not like it, but he would do that जब मैं नहीं रहूँगा, please गरिमा का ध्यान रखना,
हाँ,
like a protective father. But मुझे लगता था कि why is my father not trusting on my capability,
to take care of
to
yourself.
take care, yeah, कि
हाँ.
मैं कर सकती हूँ. I remember, and he had gone to give me support in LEL. U-turn point पे, he hugged me and he cried and he said, now I know you can carry your way forward.
हाँ,
So for me, that was my medal
हाँ,
that happened. So
Huh.
that, of course, I've become, my name has, people have started getting to know me.
हाँ.
But for me, the real earning, cause of this real sweat equity that happened,
हाँ.
was my father's faith in me.
Huh.
So that also
So I think
changed.
that is what you earn, right? We're not
Yeah.
talking about being stronger, looking great. ये सब
Yeah.
तो ancillaries हैं
Yeah,
which you
yeah.
possibly get.
Yeah.
But I think
the new person.
the new person.
The new person,
Huh.
the new me.
हाँ,
And I was so relieved when that happened. That
Huh.
was my medal. That was the earning that I got from the
I think
sweat equity.
the biggest that possibly a child or anybody can earn is the respect, the hug
Yeah.
from the loved ones, the father, the parents.
Yeah, yeah. And that no one can take it
No
away
one,
from
no
me.
one.
Yeah.
I think very interesting.
Do stay tuned. We will have many more such stories for you very soon.
Thank you, Hitesh and Rohan. Thank you.
Thank you very much. So everyone, if you've loved the episode, if you've loved the conversation with Garima, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share the channel. We'll get back to you with more real stories of transformation, grit, determination. So stay tuned for more.